What if I told you there are a few simple daily habits that can not only protect your body, but also restore the energy, vitality, and mobility you thought were gone forever? After 60, our bodies naturally go through changes that can feel alarming if left unchecked. Muscle mass begins to decline at a rate of around 1% per year. Bones lose density, joints stiffen, and balance diminishes. But here's the truth. Aging doesn't have to mean giving up control. The secret lies in targeted, intentional movements that strengthen your body from the inside out and train your mind to move with confidence. Today, we're going to explore a full protocol of 6 essential exercises and lifestyle strategies designed to improve strength, flexibility, balance, and overall wellness. These aren't complicated or demanding routines. They can be done at home, require no gym or special equipment, and are proven to reduce the risk of falls, increase mobility, and improve quality of life. Let's begin with Exercise 1, the heel-to-toe walk. This movement might seem simple, almost childlike, but it is a powerful test of balance and coordination. Walk in a straight line, placing the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other. Arms can extend naturally at your sides for support. The goal is to move slowly, feeling each step, keeping your core engaged. This exercise activates stabilizing muscles in your ankles, calves, and feet, areas that often weaken with age. Scientific research shows that proprioception, the body's awareness of its position in space, is essential for preventing falls. The heel-to-toe walk challenges your nervous system to maintain stability on a narrow base, improving your reflexes and coordination. With just 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 steps daily, you're training your body to respond better to uneven surfaces, obstacles, or unexpected slips. Exercise 2, seated marches. If standing exercises feel intimidating at first, start with this gentle but highly effective movement. Sit tall in a chair, lift one knee toward your chest, lower it slowly, and repeat with the other leg. Focus on controlled movements and steady breathing. This exercise strengthens the hip flexors, quadriceps, and core muscles, all critical for walking, climbing stairs, and rising from a chair. Studies have shown that seated marches can improve lower limb circulation, prevent stiffness, and enhance cardiovascular health. Beyond the physical benefits, it teaches your body the rhythm of coordinated movement, preparing you for more dynamic exercises as strength and confidence grow. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 15 repetitions per leg, gradually increasing speed as you feel stronger. Exercise 3. Standing hip extensions. Place a chair or wall in front of you for support, and extend one leg backwards slowly while keeping the knee straight. Return to starting position and switch legs. This movement targets the glutes and lower back muscles, critical for posture and stability. Strong glutes act as shock absorbers for the spine and pelvis, preventing unnecessary strain and enhancing balance. A strong posterior chain, the muscles along the back of your body, is associated with improved gait and reduced risk of falls. Research in geriatric rehabilitation demonstrates that even low-resistance hip extensions can significantly improve functional mobility in older adults. Perform 2 sets of 10, 12 repetitions per leg, focusing on smooth, controlled motions. Exercise 4. Calf raises. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet and lower back down with control. This movement strengthens the calves and ankles, key components of the body's balance system. Weak calves contribute to instability, making even small steps risky. Clinical studies have found that daily calf raises improve postural sway, walking endurance, and the ability to recover from trips or slips. Start with 10 repetitions, gradually increasing to 15 or 20 as strength improves. For an added challenge, try holding the top position for 2-3 seconds before lowering. Exercise 5. Wall push-ups. Upper body strength often declines unnoticed with age, affecting the ability to push open doors, rise from the floor, or lift groceries safely. Wall push-ups are a gentle way to engage the chest, shoulders, and arms without stressing the joints. Stand facing a wall, place your hands at shoulder height, bend your elbows, and bring your chest toward the wall. Push back slowly and repeat. A study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that upper body resistance exercises Even low-intensity movements like wall push-ups can improve functional strength, enhance posture, and reduce upper body fatigue in older adults. Begin with 2 sets of 10 repetitions, gradually increasing as strength builds. Exercise 6, the cat-cow stretch. Flexibility and spinal mobility are crucial for everyday movement. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back gently, cow pose, then exhale and round your spine, cat pose. This movement gently mobilizes the vertebrae, stretches the back muscles, and relieves tension accumulated from prolonged sitting. Research in physical therapy shows that spinal mobility exercises like the cat-cow stretch improve posture, reduce back stiffness, and enhance body awareness. Practice for 1-2 minutes daily, focusing on smooth transitions and mindful breathing. Now that we've covered these foundational exercises, let's talk about why consistency matters more than intensity. It's tempting to push yourself too hard, thinking more is better. But after 60, gradual mindful movements are far more effective. Just a few minutes every day can compound into significant improvements over weeks and months. Strength gains, better balance, and increased mobility are cumulative. In addition to exercise, simple lifestyle habits amplify the benefits. Walking daily, even for 10 to 15 minutes, stimulates circulation, strengthens the cardiovascular system, and maintains muscle endurance. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants supports muscle recovery and joint health. Hydration cannot be overstated. Dehydrated muscles and joints are more prone to injury. Mental wellness plays a critical role as well. Engaging your mind during movement, whether through mindful walking, counting repetitions, or focusing on posture, enhances neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize. This cognitive engagement not only improves coordination, but also supports memory and emotional well-being. Another key aspect is functional strength, the type of strength that directly translates to daily life. Exercises like standing up from a chair, lifting light objects, and walking upstairs are not just workouts, they are practical skills. Each time you strengthen your body in this way, you are training for independence, safety, and confidence. Let's not forget breathing and posture. Proper alignment reduces joint strain and activates muscles effectively. Whether you are performing a glute bridge, side plank, or wall push-up, focusing on controlled inhalation and exhalation enhances muscle engagement and relaxes the nervous system. This simple act improves circulation, reduces stress, and ensures that your body works as a cohesive unit. At this point, you might be wondering, how long before I notice results? Studies consistently show that even 12 weeks of regular practice can produce measurable improvements in strength, balance, walking speed, and fall prevention. But perhaps the most profound benefits are subtle. More confidence when standing, less fear of moving, and a renewed sense of control over your body. As you integrate these exercises, pay attention to your limits and progress. Start slowly with fewer repetitions, and gradually increase as your strength and balance improve. Consistency is key. Short daily sessions are far more effective than occasional intense workouts. Now, imagine moving through your day without hesitation, standing from a chair without using your hands, climbing stairs effortlessly, walking with a steady gait, lifting groceries safely, or playing with your grandchildren without fatigue. This is the freedom and vitality that functional exercise can restore. It's not just about muscles, it's about reclaiming independence, confidence, and joy in everyday life. To recap, your daily plan can include heel-to-toe walks, 2-3 sets of 10, 15 steps, seated marches, 2-3 sets of 15 repetitions per leg, standing hip extensions, 2 sets of 10, 12 repetitions per leg, calf raises, 2 sets of 10, 20 repetitions, wall push-ups, 2 sets of 10 repetitions, cat-cow stretch, 1-2 minutes of fluid movement. Pair these exercises with mindful walking, balanced nutrition, and hydration, and you're building a holistic approach to aging well. Before we finish, remember that movement is medicine. Every small step, every controlled lift, every stretch contributes to stronger muscles, better coordination, and enhanced well-being. And the benefits extend beyond the physical. They elevate your mood, boost self-esteem, and remind you that your body is capable, resilient, and worthy of care. You don't need fancy equipment, gym memberships, or hours of time. You need commitment, curiosity, and self-compassion. Start today with just a few repetitions, and notice how your body responds. Each session reinforces the neural pathways that improve balance, the muscles that support independence, and the confidence that empowers you to move without fear. Join a community of like-minded adults who understand that aging is a journey, not a limitation. Share your experiences, celebrate small victories, and encourage others to move with intention. Your story can inspire someone else to take that first step towards strength, stability, and freedom. Finally, let's address the most critical point. Falls are not inevitable. According to the CDC, 1 in 4 adults over 65 experiences a fall each year, often leading to serious injuries. But with consistent functional exercise, you can reduce this risk significantly, sometimes by as much as 30% or more. This is your safeguard, your tool for living life on your terms, and your path to feeling youthful, agile, and capable. So here's your action plan. Dedicate 10-20 minutes a day to these movements, respect your limits, focus on mindful execution, and repeat consistently. Combine this with walking, proper nutrition, and mental engagement, and you're investing in more than just physical strength. You're investing in independence, confidence, and a life of greater freedom. Leave a comment below. Which exercise challenges you the most? Which one do you feel the strongest doing? Sharing your journey helps others, and together we can redefine what it means to age with strength and dignity. Consistency matters more than perfection. Each repetition, each mindful step, each stretch, each breath is a building block for a safer, more vibrant life. Begin today and let every small movement remind you, aging is not about limitations, it's about possibilities. Move with intention, honor your body, and embrace a life full of strength, confidence, and freedom. Because in the end, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better, moving freely, and feeling in control every single day. And all it takes is that first step. Start today.